Hello everyone, in this video, I will introduce the Christmas tree and reindeer friendship bracelet pattern. This bracelet pattern is part of the list of Christmas bracelet designs I have created. You can explore other Christmas bracelet patterns such as Santa Claus, Christmas tree, holly, candy cane, jingle bell, and reindeer. With this bracelet pattern, I use 18 strings and the double V pattern after the initial loop. The process of making the Christmas friendship bracelet with a Christmas tree and reindeer is similar to the Santa Claus bracelet. Please review the detailed tutorial video for Santa Claus. Making the friendship bracelet is very simple. I use 4 basic knot styles: forward, backward, forward, backward, backward, forward. Repeat the steps on the chart until the bracelet reaches a length of about 15 centimeters. I use the V shape to finish the bracelet. I will share how to divide the double V pattern after the first loop and provide the bracelet pattern chart in the community post. Now, let's check out this fantastic list of Christmas friendship bracelets. I have created a series of tutorials for all these bracelets on my YouTube channel. Take a look at the list there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.